All right, I got a bad cop, no donut for you. I hate covering these kind of stories, but we have to cover these. From the Journal News, former Southwest Ohio police officer found guilty in child rape case. It is a crazy story. It's sick. It's going to make your stomach turn. A Miami County jury Friday found a former West Milton police officer guilty of rape of a girl younger than 13. A girl younger than... Holy shit, man. Damn it. Jurors deliberated around 8 hours, Thursday afternoon and Friday, before returning its verdict in County Common Pleas Court. Kevin C. Wright, 34, of West Milton, faced 3 felony rape charges. The jury found him guilty of each count, along with notation that the victim was under the age of 13. The girl in the courtroom for the verdict hugged a victim advocate. I don't know if I could have her in the courtroom, man. Like, that's... I don't know if I could expose her to anything else, man. Like, jeez, this is so horrible. Wright faces a lifetime in prison on the charges. You should get life. Yeah, you should definitely. I have no problem for a police officer who takes advantage of a young girl to spend the rest of his life in damn prison. I have no problem with that. Judge Stacey Wall revoked Wright's bond. He was taken to jail. Defense attorney Jay Lopez said he had no comment. Prosecutor Tony Kendall said he would withhold comment until sentencing. A sentencing date was not set. The 3 felony rape charges accused Wright of engaging in sexual conduct with another between August 1st, 2017 and June 1st, 2018. August 1st, 2018 to June 1st, 2019, and December 8th, 2019. The child was between the ages 10 and 12 during the alleged offense. Oh my God. 10 and 12? What is wrong with you? This goes beyond an abuse of power. This goes so much beyond that. Unbelievable. 10 and 12. That is disgusting, bro. Wright was the last person to testify in the case Thursday morning. Absolutely not. It was indescribable. I would never do anything like that. Wright testified when asked by defense lawyer Jay Lopez of his reaction when told of the girl's allegations by a sheriff's detective. Wright said he cooperated with investigators, giving them his cell phone and submitting to a DNA swab when asked. When told by an investigator they were searching the Wright home, Wright said that was okay. We have absolutely nothing to hide, he testified. The girl, now 13, so that means she just turned 13. You sick son of a bitch. Told jurors Tuesday she made a comment in December 2019 to a friend who told school officials of suspected abuse. School officials talked with the girl and called police. The case was investigated by sheriff's detectives. I didn't want it to happen anymore, the girl said of her comment to the friend. Wow. Imagine if that's your daughter. Wright had been with the West Milton Police Department since September 2018. He previously worked with the Covington Police Department and is a Navy veteran. He was placed on paid administrative leave when the investigation began in December 2019. He was placed on unpaid administrative leave when the indictment was served in 2020. He has since resigned from the department. In opening statements Monday, Kendall said evidence would show Wright engaged in sexual conduct with the girl beginning when she was 10. Oh my God. What? Listen, I'm having a tough time processing that. Like, what kind of a man? There is no, again, you have guys out there who say, well, some of these girls, they look older. There's no way you fuck up a damn 10-year-old now. There is no way you misidentify a 10-year-old girl and not know that she's at the very least too young for you, bro. Especially with you being a police officer, especially with you getting training with sexual assault survivors, with rape victims, or at least I would hope you would have had that fucking training. There's no way with you doing actual police work for years and years and years that you can't tell the difference. You of all people, a common civilian, that's one thing, but you are a police officer. You should be able to know the difference between a 10-year-old girl and an 18-year-old. You should know the goddamn, don't even fix your mouth to tell me you didn't know. Do you understand how fucking sick you gotta be, man? This activity continued until late 2019 when the girl disclosed the abuse, he said. In closing arguments Thursday, Kendall asked jurors to use common sense and look at testimony about touch DNA and from sexual abuse experts who describe child reporting often first to appear. The girl, he said, has no motivation to do anything but to come in here and tell the truth. Wow. That is so disgusting. That is so, I feel for this girl, man. Imagine how different her life is gonna be from now on, man. That is so sick, bro. That is some sick shit, bro. Lopez said the girl had been disciplined in the past for not telling the truth. Prosecutors would believe the girl's story, but don't have the evidence to corroborate it, he said. What you have is a 12-year-old girl who has admitted she has lied, telling the story and other people trying to justify why this story might be possible, Lopez said. Wow, so this Lopez person, that's ex-cop's attorney, claiming that this girl is lying because in the past she lied. She is 12 years old now. She's 13 years old. So if a 12 or 13-year-old girl has ever been lectured for lying in the past, has ever been lectured, you shouldn't listen to her when she comes forward about a police officer molesting her, even though DNA evidence, fucking DNA evidence, is present there. And sexual abuse experts were testifying saying that it fucking happened. But DNA evidence, the same DNA evidence that cops use to convict motherfuckers in goddamn court, is now being used to show that this cop's a fucking pedophile. And now you want to tell me that the girl's lying? Unbelievable. At this point, if you are a cop, you cannot get mad if people don't trust you.